In this next video, I'm going to be showing how to create a furnace, forge, smelter, whatever you want to call it, out of an old microwave oven. Unfortunately, I tore it apart last year, so I can't show you how I took the microwave oven apart. But I'm going to start off by showing you how I cut the fire bricks, and then using the high resistant heat cement to attach them to the inside of the microwave oven, and once it dries and everything, then we're going to test it out and show you what I've been able to. First thing I'm going to try making is mostly just ingots of different metals, see how hot I can get it. I want it to get hot enough to melt copper and be able to make an ingot of copper. If I can do that, then I can do gold and silver, and maybe I'll work on doing platinum later on or something. But that's what I'm trying to achieve. I may later try to bend some iron and see if I can forge some maybe knives or other tools that will be useful. And so let's get started. I'll start by showing you how I cut up the fire brick. Alright, so here I am in the noisy front yard again, and I'm going to show you how well the fire brick cuts. This here blade right over here, bought it at Home Hardware, $7 and change. And it does really well. I've already cut several bricks, and I'm just going to show you how well it cuts them, and that'll be the end of cutting bricks. Okay, here we go. Side, you don't want to have broken or cracked ends or pieces. And here, good side, good best side. Cut off what you don't want or the worst end. Will run smoother across the table if it's clean. Well, there we have it. Nice clean cut bricks, no problem at all. All on $7 and change diamond blade from the hardware store. Okay, now that I've cut the fire bricks, I'm going to line the microwave with them, and I'm going to cement them in there with this product here. Okay, This is a high temperature cement, especially for steel and bricks. And I purchased it right beside the fire brick in Canadian Tire. It was aisle 27 or 25, where the furnace aisles are and the heaters and things like that in Canadian Tire. Okay, so this cement is going to be the first time I use it. It's the only cement available out there, so hopefully it's going to work good, at least around here. And I'm going to get started. Lining the microwave now, the inside of the microwave with the bricks. Now my garage. I closed the door, so hopefully it's not going to be so noisy. I don't know if you can see in there, but I applied a coating of the cement. And now I'm going to start adding some bricks on the bottom first, and then I'll work my way up on the sides, and then finally the top. To use the cement, it says that you should have your surfaces where you're going to put it on damp or wet a little bit. So I'm going to dampen this brick up here. And I've already put a coating inside. I don't know how this is going to work because anyway, you might be able to see that. I'm in my garage now and the lighting is from above, so it's hard to see. So I'll put a coat in there. And put some more down on the first brick. It's going in. I don't know how much dampness you have. It's kind of strange to me when you heat this up. It's going to be getting really hot. Any moisture in here, I guess. It doesn't make the bricks explode. But it says that it cures from heat. So maybe that's all. That'll slowly get any moisture out of the bricks before it's too hot to make anything of a bad reaction. Okay, got one more each side to coat. Okay, now, do a little bit more. I want to put it on really thick because this is going in the back of the microwave oven there, and my air pipe is going to be butting up against it. So decide whether I put the air pipe. I'm going to put it on thick. All right. Let's stick this one in. Okay. Sure you have a lot of rags on hand when you're doing this kind of stuff. Either that or rubber gloves or anything, because it's going to be messy at times. So, anyway. I'm trying to keep the cement off the top of the brick. I want to have more. Make it look nicer by having no cement on there on the top, but as you can see, that may be easier said than done. Okay, so you can see I got that one brick in, and this hole in here where my fingers come out is where the air pipe's going to be running in there to give it oxygen and make the flames or coals and much hotter, so that it's going to actually work like a forge, and hopefully it'll give me no problems and be a straightforward setup. So here we go. I'll get that done and I'll come back and show you what the bottom looks like when I'm finished. Now I put the pipe in. I got my back bricks in. And I got my exhaust pipe or my intake pipe. The holes I drilled in it. It's all pre-done. This is going to be able to slide out of there after it cures. I'll be able to put my hair blower on here in this end and blow a good steady stream of oxygen in there. I have adapters for different sizes of hair dryers. I can always add this one on. I got another fitting there that adds this one on for a bigger hair dryer or a bigger wider hair dryer, let me say. And okay, so all the pipes in there. Next stage is just to put the front ones in and then do the sides, the back and then the sides, and just keep on plugging along. So I'll do more and then show you what I accomplish as I do each step. Bottom layer is done now. You can see the bricks are nicely laid out there. The pipes in. The holes are back further back there in the center, a little bit further back from center. And all looks good. So we can carry on and do the back and the sides next. Don't know if you can see in the very back, but the metal there in the back of the microwave is beveled, almost like a picture frame. You see it's on an angle. Angle's off back there. So not sure if you can see that. So I cut the bricks to have that bevel also. Right, so there for the sides, and then for the bottom and top, the same thing. There's bottom and there's the top, and it's beveled too. And as you can see in the back, there's a slot where the bottom of the brick is going to slide down the back there, and each side is beveled and the tops are beveled for the way that the microwave is made back there. So just following the metal's contour. And I did a dry fit already of this, and I could barely get the bricks out. I got them cut really nice. So I'll carry on and get the back done. Show you later. Now the back is done. And as you can see, it's nicely set up. Just gotta clean up a little bit in the back there, but it looks good. Good fit, good fit. Don't forget, side bricks are going to overlap, so there won't be any gaps. And yeah, looking good. Alright, so I'll start on the sides next and then show you that when I'm done. Now the sides are done. Okay, get in there. And also my pipe for extra air. Come out now. There's the groove for it in there. Here's the pipe. It just simply sits like that. And I'll show you once I get the cover on this microwave how everything all fits together and works. So next stop is the top. So I'll be probably freehanding the camera to show you the final top part for the top, and then we'll put it together and then we'll test it out. Okay, here we go. Now it's totally lined now with fire bricks cemented in. This is the exhaust vent up here, right in there. There's the intake vent, or intake for air being blown in. Going to be a hair dryer. Hopefully it gives it enough wind. And this I can take out and put back in again. From here, hair dryer is going to connect to that end. And there we go. So got it all lined with fire brick, cemented in there. Now I just have to put the hood on. This is the hood. Okay, it's over top like so. Okay, and this was all made from an ordinary microwave. I just took it apart. So yeah, I took it apart last year, so I couldn't show you how it comes apart, but it's very simple. Just make sure you say the mechanisms for the door. The door just clamps shut there. Hopefully this viewing window won't burn away along with the door, but we'll find out. There's the mechanism there for the handle, or for the door handle closure. Okay, there's the vent, the upper vent for the microwave. Okay, and this is the top view. And here's the side view. Front door view. And the bottom view. Okay, so alright, so I'll put the lid on and everything, and then we'll take it outside and hook up the hair dryer and put some briquettes in there, charcoal, and fire her up. Try to melt something like, maybe just for now, try melting some aluminum, see how that goes. And then maybe we'll try putting some steel in there and see if we can get it hot enough to bend it or something like a real forge. But mainly I want to use this for just making small metal ingots. Heat them up and do little metal pours. Not as much as for a forge, but I may try a few things. Try to forge a few things. Haven't tried that before, so there's always a first time. So let me get it together, get it in the backyard there where it's a lot more noisy, and we'll fire her up and see what happens. Either the whole thing will melt, we'll have ourselves a nice little forge made from discarded, broken down piece of junk microwave oven. Okay. Alright, so I thought I'd just show you how this air intake pipe works before I put everything together. So once I've used it and everything, I need to take it out to clean it because the holes are going to clog up with soot and ash. I can just pull it out like that, and the holes, and I got a plug here. I can knock the plug out, clean it all out, no problem. So, and it's in there. And I'm going to try using a hair dryer connected to this end. That's how it works. Now, I have the cover and close it so it's not so wide open and everything. And it's going to go on like this when I'm finished. Okay, and the door will close. There we go. So I'm just hoping that this door is going to withstand enough of that heat, that it doesn't warp or melt or burn up or anything like that, but it withstands heat from the microwave itself, so maybe they're a different type of heat, but see what happens. You only give it a try. If that doesn't work, I can always try using the kiln or the forge with the door open. Okay, so alright, well, I better get started.